go to mode, and then paste down here. Here I have to change this switch 8. Just scroll this roller and you will come here. I need to change this channel 8 to switch 2. So I just press and hold the roller here, and then input the edit with the roller, and now come to the source and press the roller and just roll. When you will find S1, then you will stop. So I'm searching for this one. Try this one. CBSA, because I have to select it here in S2. Here it is. Now place and hold. It's done. Now go back to the return, and if you roll this button, now you'll see that it's changing the channel 8. Got it? So we're done for today, and then press return. Now you can see here is S1 and S2. So channel 6 and 7 is connected with S1 and S2. If you check this, like here, and S1, yeah, and S2, perfect. Now we can go back to our main page, and we are all done today.